Hey Gear Seekers, I'm Nick. Intel and AORUS asked Alex from Simple Mods, hi Alex, bye Alex, and ourselves to put together a centerpiece for an audiovisual experience featuring Australian DJ and artist Timmy Trumpet. You want to see how it came together? Keep watching to find out.
Missing you.
ladies and gents, I hope you enjoyed this very special build for this very special audio-visual production. Now, if you want to know what all of the parts that were used for this build, I'll put a PC part picker list down below in the description so you can know how much it cost and all that jazz, because everybody loves to know all that information. Obviously, I'm not going to go through all the parts in this build like in this video because it just doesn't make sense to do that. So yeah, the PC part picker list will be your guide to know what all of this hardware is. But once again, guys, thank you so much to Intel and AORUS for sponsoring this build project. And if you liked the video, please like and subscribe. If you hated the video, you know what to do, and hit that dislike button twice. If you like the music as well, I make that. You want to get early access to videos like this one that you're seeing right here, available over on Flowplane. Once again, thank you so very much for watching. I'm your boy Nick with Gear Seekers. You peek, we seek. And what's that song? Don't copyright strike me. Don't copyright strike me.